change the size of your margins, if you navigate to Layout on the top menu bar, click on this, and then on the left-hand side you can see the Margins option. Click on this again, and it will give you a lot of different options that you can choose from. You can also click on the Custom Margins button at the bottom. This will bring up your page setup menu, where if you click on the Margins tab, you can input your own values as to what size of margin you want. Again, you can do this in centimeters, millimeters, inches, etc. When setting up a Word document for a book that's going to be printed, we recommend that you use mirrored margins. Basically what this is there's a little bit extra space on the binding edge, which then makes the content look like it's sitting more central. If you navigate to your pages and then multiple pages, click on the mirrored margins option, and then you can see that the inside and outside options become available. For most books, we would recommend margins of 15mm on the top, bottom and outside edges, and then 18mm on the inside edge. Obviously, you can adapt this if you have a larger page count, you might want slightly bigger margins, etc. Then make sure you apply this to the whole document and press OK. If you have the rulers visible on your Word document, you can see where the margins are set here at the top using the little arrows. You can also access those margin options by clicking on Layout, Page Setup, the small right-hand arrow on the bottom corner, and clicking on the Margins tab. In Word, you also have the option to show the bounding box for text, which again can help you see what your margins look like. In order to show the bounding box, if you navigate to File on the top menu, and then navigate to the Options button, click on this, and then go to the Advanced tab. Scroll down until you see the tick box option for Show Text Boundaries. This will be under the Show Document Content menu. If you tick the tick box that says Show Text Boundaries, this will enable the option. And then press OK. This then shows you a physical boundary of where the text will sit and what the margins look like.